Did Grandma get you a card?
Yeah.
Let me see your cards. Let me see them. Let me see.
Okay.
Show me. I want to see the front of them. I want to see the pictures. Did you get a card from Grammy?
Okay. Yeah.
Can I see it? It's from Grandma Susan. Mm-hmm.
It's a baby.
It is a baby.
A Mickey.
Mickey. Mm-hmm.
It's pretty.
You like it?
It's pretty though. This is Mickey.
What other cards did you get?
Card.
Show me the other one.
Oh.
Show me the red one.
What?
Yeah, so nice. Does it have a keychain on it?
You click on it. Get on it.
Yeah.
What? I really blew on it.
Carter, be soft on the cards. Be soft.
Okay.
You don't want to break them.
What break 'em? Oh no. Mom. Mickey.